Hey beauties, I'm back with another video. This is my easy cranberry eye look. For this look, I'll be using Too Faced Best Year Ever palette. I'm going to start by packing on that first shade, and it's called Don't Give a Fudge. Hi dolls, if you're new to the channel, my name is Des, and go ahead and hit the subscribe and the notification bell. Next, I'll be going in with a small clean blending brush and just blending out the edges of that darker shade. Now to diffuse that shade even more, I'm going to use a lighter shade, and this is the color Spiked Rum. I'm going to be blending that out and over into my inner corner. This is more like of a beginner look. It's very easy. The trick is to keep blending, going back in with a darker color, blending it a little bit, going back in with the lighter color, blending that out a little bit more. So that's just a little trick. But other than that, this is a really easy look, and I hope you guys attempt it. If you do not have the same palette as me, then you can go ahead and use a 3-color combo similar to this, and you'll come out with the same results. You're also going to want to drag that outer corner, that darker shade, onto the lid just a little bit. As you can see, I'm doing that here, but for some reason it's so hard for me to stay in frame. Now going in with a beautiful lid color, it's called Plum Pudding. I'm going to apply that all over the lid and then just blend out. I'm not going to be cutting no creases. This is super easy. All you're doing is applying it on top and blending it into that darker crease and onto the lid. Going in with Pinecone and Black Tie, I'm going to be using that as my liner with an angled brush. I'm going to be using Pinecone towards the inner corner of my eye, and then towards the outer corner, I'll be using Black Tie. So that's it, beauties. I hope you guys like this look. You can pair it with any lip color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Don't forget you can leave me suggestions down below, and you can follow me on my socials.